In this video, we'll discuss lab safety. We'll refer to the Flynn Scientific Student Safety Contract this year. It has a list of general lab safety rules. Most are common sense. Some of them you really need to pay attention to the details, and I recommend taking notes over the ones that are not so obvious. In addition to the lab safety rules, you have the Hazmat Diamond, which is a quick reference at a lab or a job site that shows you quickly the hazard for a particular chemical or chemicals at that site. And it's broken down by the type of hazard: health, fire, reactivity, and special hazards. Each hazard is assigned a number to tell you the degree of hazard. So 4 is the highest, 0 is the lowest. Types of hazards consist of flammability, corrosiveness, toxicity, reactivity, and most of these are pretty straightforward. Flammability catches on fire. Corrosiveness will burn your eyes or skin. Toxicity means that if you swallow it, inhale it, or absorb it through the skin, it can be harmful. And then reactivity means do not mix. Now you also have pictograms that give you a specific hazard. There's a symbol for each type of hazard, and that's what the pictogram is. It's a symbol. You have physical hazards, you have health hazards, and then you have environmental hazards. You don't have to know all of these. Um, it wouldn't hurt. You don't have to write it down. You don't have to copy all this stuff down. But if you want to, go for it. Then you have the safety data sheets. And the safety data sheet is specific to a chemical. And OSHA states that a chemical manufacturer, distributor, or importer provides safety data sheets for each hazardous chemical. And it has to be in a specific format. Section 1, identification. Section 2, hazards. Section 3, composition. Section 4, first aid. Section 5, firefighting. Anytime you open up one of these safety data sheets, you're going to see the same thing. You're going to see that specific format. And they're easy to find. All you have to do is search MSDS or even SDS and whatever chemical you're looking for. In this case, hydrochloric acid. Click on the link. It'll take you to the safety data sheet. Same format. They're always in the same format. So each section that you're looking for, you can find it in that particular format. And finally, we have disposal. I'll typically give you instructions for disposal. Just know that you should never pour chemicals down the drain unless I tell you to. But then we also have this chemical disposal guide. And no, you won't use this, but it doesn't hurt to know where it is. I added this link in Google Classroom for the Flynn disposal guide, and it's really nice because when you look at the MSDS or the SDS for any chemical, specifically from Flynn, so if you go to the Flynn website and look at that SDS, it gives you instructions on how to dispose of that. And so some of these require a variety of steps with chemical reactions and then steps on how to dispose of the products. So see number 1B, that gives you instructions for number 1B. Number 2, aldehydes. Number 3, alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. So you just have to find the method, and it'll tell you in the SDS, method 1, method 2, method 3, and that's about it. Thank you.